This is section 10.2, representations of three-dimensional figures. These are the objectives. Draw representations of 3D figures. Recognize a three-dimensional figure from a given representation. The vocabulary is orthographic drawing. This idea of orthographic drawing is going to definitely help you on a future section. Let's move on to the next slide. There are many ways to represent a three-dimensional object. This explains orthographic drawing. Follow along. An orthographic drawing shows 6 different views from an object: top, bottom, front, back, left, side, and right side. So if you look at this pyramid, let me get a pen. This pyramid, if you look at this pyramid from the top, this is how it's going to look. Excuse me, if you look at this pyramid from the left side, it looks like this. Right side, just like the left. From the front and the back, this is how it's going to look. And from the bottom of this pyramid, it should look like this. Let's move on to the next slide. This is a practice problem. It says drawing orthographic views of an object. Draw all 6 orthographic views of the given object. Assume there are no hidden cubes. Okay. Follow along. Shouldn't be too bad. So the first thing that I'm going to do, by looking at this figure through the top, this is how it's going to look. I'm just going to be seeing this red, the green, this looks like purple to me, and then this blue from the top. From the bottom, it's going to look like this. And I'm looking at yellow, green, it looks like orange to me, and then it's blue. Next, from the front, I'm going to be looking at these colors: red, yellow, green, blue, yellow, and purple. Through the back, by now you should follow, it's basically the same thing as the front. Then, from the left side, so I'm standing some over here, I'm going to see the purple, I am going to see the red, the yellow, and the blue. And from the right side, I'm going to see purple, yellow, orange, and blue. I don't know, it's going back a little bit, I don't know, this may be orange or brown, I don't know. You pick the color, call it whatever you want. But we're done with number 1. Let's go to number 2. And again, same directions as number 2. And you can pause the video and actually try this, and hopefully you have the correct answers. And it's not too bad. I'm sure you're probably going to have all 6 views correctly. So let's do this. After you pause it, hopefully you paused it. But here are the answers. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. The front, looking at this way. The back, looking at actually this should be flipped, but anyway, it should be going this way. Ignore this part. So if you're looking at it from the back, it's going to look something like this. You're going to see the purple, the yellow, the green, and the red. And then from the left side, from the right side, it's going to just basically look something like this. And we're done with number 2. Let's go to the next slide. Same directions. It says draw all 6 orthographic views of the object. Assume there are no hidden cubes. So you can pause so you can answer this problem. So make sure you do so. And here are the 6 orthographic views of this shape: top, bottom, front, back, left, and right. And this concludes video from section 2.2.